Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back. Right now, we're going to go over is the core reset, setting the core, which is your main muscles, your diaphragm, your psoas, and your glutes, right? So, in order to do that, first we try to breathe. So we take our Superman pose with our hands between our hip bone and our ribs. Breathe in the nose for 5. Try to get down there. Use your hands for a little bit of feedback so you know where to breathe from. And try to push your hands not just out in the front, but also in the back a little bit as well. It's not going to be as pronounced as the front, but you should also feel kind of that 360 breath. And then one more. Okay, and then I go through the diaphragm rake up. So I go right underneath the neck, right? Neck bone right here, right down the middle of the sternum. Pressing in, rubbing up and down until I reach the base here, and then I do this upside down wide down my ribs. And remember, the harder you press, the better it's going to be, even if it's painful, because as soon as you take your thumb away, it's not going to hurt anymore, right? So go all the way back up, and then we're going to go to the psoas. So what we're going to do is we're going to go an inch out, inch down, drive those thumbs toward the spine in a circular motion, bam. And then finally glutes, right? So it's right behind the skull here, base of the skull, rubbing down along the base of that skull, taking my thumbs underneath my earlobes and pushing toward my eyes and rubbing there a little bit. And that is the core wake up. We're gonna do this at least once a day in the morning. You could do it right after you're brushing your teeth. You could do it right after lunch, before lunch, however you want to fit it in your day.